We're gonna either make them money or, you know, show that they're crap.
Yeah.
Coffee and pizza.
Oh yeah.
Yes. All right, what was I even gonna do today? Jay with coffee, Ryan with pizza.
Check.
We got pizza, we got coffee, we're good. There's lots of stuff going on right now. It's too much. I can't keep track of it. There's lots of stuff. So in the last episode with the G35, I detailed the engine and then we went around searching for oil leaks and we found one. And since then, I've actually talked to the previous owner and he has assured me that there are no more oil leaks, and I believe him. But there is one way to be 100% certain whether there's an oil leak or not. And that was brought up to us in the comments by Alex with his Mazda Speed 3. He brought up that we should do a UV dye test. And that's a great idea for an episode, so that's what we're gonna do today. But before we get into it, this entire episode is brought to you guys by Masked Enemy and JMC VQ35. They actually got us our coffee and our pizza today. And if you would like to help support the channel too, go to patreon.com/millsgarage. You'll also notice Ryan is wearing this awesome t-shirt right now, right? With his Subaru, his Bug-Eye, but mine is better.
They both have pizza.
Yeah, they both have pizza. We got coffee, we got pizza, and we got a G35, and you know, you can get a Subaru too. But if you want to pick one up for yourself, go to zturnerdesigns.com/shop, the link in the description below. You can pick up which one you think is the best, because mine's the best. It's cold in here, I gotta be real, I'm gonna zip this up.
Ooh, we're up to 43 degrees, woo!
43 degrees! Woohoo! We got the UV dye right here. I did a lot of searching online and I found that there's a number of locations where you can get it. You can get the generic stuff from AutoZone or Pep Boys, but the best stuff is this stuff called Fluoralite. So I looked it up, I found that you could get it on Amazon and eBay. And I was looking at the reviews and some people said that it didn't work. So there's someone out there making shoddy stuff and then just selling it off. I went with the eBay one, so we're gonna find out whether the eBay stuff works. We're gonna either make them money or, you know, show that they're crap. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. So let's see what they got us first off, because I don't even know. I'm gonna unbox this right quick without cutting myself. All right.
Looks good to me.
I don't know, it's good to me. For use with fuel and engine oil, automatic transmissions, power steering, hydraulics. Harmful to aquatic life? Tracerline, concentrate, super duper awesome. Alright, so that brings me to another topic actually. So this one is the TP Dye 3400, and there's two options. You can actually get TP 3400 or TP 3405, and the difference is the dilution. So this is a 1 ounce bottle and it'll actually do 2 oil leak checks. And if you were to get the 3405, it'll only do 1. This was only $5 more and this is gonna have 2 doses. So it's actually way better. In theory, we're gonna find out whether it works though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
It has a measurement tool on the side and you can see it goes all the way up to 1 ounce. So here's the ½ ounce. I'm gonna go halfway up the bottle and that's what we're gonna use. So in order to use it, you just open the oil and pour half of it in. Oh, I can't see very well. Use a little bit more.
Yeah. It's a very dark bottle.
Right? Cool. Alright, so we got the UV dye in the engine and we want to make sure that we're getting it into every crack and crevice. So I'm going to be running the engine throughout the week, making sure that it's getting up to temp. And then after the week's over, Ryan's going to come back over. We're going to get a UV light and check this bad boy and hopefully it's not leaking anywhere.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Yeah, we're back! And we're gonna be filming in like really dim light, or more specifically black light. So these UV lights are set up in a way that it's gonna react with the UV dye. Hopefully it works. And then we're gonna be searching for where it's seeping out of the engine. Sound like a plan?
Sounds like a plan.
Cool. All right, so
hopefully it does work.
Yeah, let's see if it even works at all. Shoot.
Try shining it down where we poured the dye in.
That's a smart idea. Okay, so we poured it in here. It better glow here. All right, let's see. So we got the LED light. We're not going to use the LED, but we do have the UV light here. Oh wow, okay. Cool, look at that.
That's cool.
Look at that. That's like predator blood, man. Shoot. Okay, so I guess we just gave the G35 predator blood, and we're gonna be searching for where it's bleeding from.
Cool, let's do it.
Yeah, okay. We've got two main concerns for our slow leaks, and one is the valve cover gasket, and the other is the oil pan gasket. So first, let's check out this valve cover gasket real quick. We've got a location right here, and it doesn't look like it's glowing. It looks like it's just the UV going on there.
Looks clean.
And then we've got one right here. I don't see any glowing predator blood at the moment. It's just sort of reflecting back at us. So this YouTuber Justin drifts. He drifts a black G35 like this, and he told me specifically that I should look around the back of the valve cover gasket. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. All right. So we're gonna be looking for right back in here. If you can see it though.
Nope.
No?
You can't really see anything.
Oh, okay. So he said that it's gonna be building up on the back of the transmission anyway. So we're gonna be checking down there real quick and see if we can find anything down there, yeah?
Yep.
And now we're gonna be checking this oil pan gasket real quick. All right, you see anything there?
Nope.
We're looking for predator blood, orange, yellow, orangish. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Well, that's what we're looking for. It's not even orange right here. It's just a greenish predator. That legit looks like predator blood right there. All right, well, that's clearly coming right out of the oil plug. And it doesn't look like it's on this side of the oil pan gasket. All right, how about back mirror? See anything?
Can't see anything from here, but
I don't see anything from this angle. So it looks like it's not coming around the back of the engine. It looks like we just have the leak right here.
yep. There you go.
Haha. So that's a leak that we found last time. So perfect.
Yeah.
Cool. That's actually really awesome that we don't have like crazy amounts of leaks going on. I'm sorry to the subscribers that were looking forward to us doing the gaskets. I know that that's a big deal when it comes to these engines, but luckily we don't have to do the gaskets at all. It seems we're just gonna be doing the oil plug real quick, and then yeah, we're all set. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. That is what we were looking for right there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look, Alex just became a patron.
It's so cool.
Predator blood patron. Awesome. Yep, predator blood. And if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe and share with all of your friends, and make sure to get one of our t-shirts with the G35, because the G35 is the best. So.
Or the Subaru.
Yeah, you could get Subaru too, but you know.
Options.
Options. Like driving this car eventually.
Yes.
Yeah. Gotta knock out the power steering pump next.
Yep. It's the last thing, then you can drive it.
Yeah. Driving a car.
Yeah.
I don't even remember what it's like to drive the car anymore.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
This is some good pizza. Thank you. With dye.
With dye!
Are you there?
I don't know. Look at that. Look at that shirt. This shirt's awesome.
Yeah.
Looks like something we sell.
We do.
Oh yeah, we do. Mine's better. Mine's better. I don't even know if they can see it.
Nope.